Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, Innovative Door. Going to show you conversion. This is an 18 by 9 4-section high that had 15-inch radius on. That's a big boo-boo, especially when you got room to put in 20s. And then it had that opener on there. That is a belt drive. That is over here. Here's the rail. 10 foot. All the way to the front seat. Yeah, this thing was just struggling. I mean, every time this door went up, there's the other door, it just was struggling. It didn't sound like it was gonna make it. Came out, checked it all out. We threw 20s on with an 85, 87, I think that's the right model number. And here we go, because you got those big panels are 27 odd inches, 30 inches. The bottom one and the top one are big. That middle one's kind of small, but and we put some center hangs on there. '85, '87. You can see the chains kind of wide up there in the back. Here we go on the way down. See the nice 20s right there. So it's pretty much smooth as butter. Another company just probably didn't know what they were doing, or they were told to do whatever, but okay, you could see the holes in the wood where the old spring brackets used to be. We moved it all up, moved it almost up to the ceiling, and you could see our little conversion piece right there to connect the 20-inch, because this is full angle mount, so just made a little piece right there. And that's it, worked great. Extend the arm up. Works wonderful. 630-271-9343. That's the number you call for your conversions to get it done right. It rolls 100 million times smoother. That's the way we do it. Okay, get this thing down. 630-271-9343. Give us a call. We'll set you up right and get it done right for you. Thanks for watching our 18 by 9 conversion 20-inch radius with a 85-87 video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching the video.